Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to create Uphex account easily. So guys, open Uphex official website and click login. After that you'll find this option to create account. This to get started for free guys, just enter your email address and you click choose your password as you can see here. After that after create your password, create a strong password guys. Click this option, create account, and you will create easily account for free. This is how you can do guys. I have this video helpful for you and create guys a new Gmail, because this my email has already taken. Just enter your email the first time and you will create account successfully. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. Keep watching guys.